I was using these bars to stop the rope, to stop the clamps from jumping around all over the place when there's a vibration, but I've used too thick a bar and it's stuck on that cable there. So when I take this off, well, I'll leave it on for now, but I'll just take the strain off the clamp a bit. So it is a good idea to use some kind of thing, but I need to use, I think this is 1/2 inch, and I need to use some 10mm stuff. But anyway, that isn't an issue for now. So this is the length of aluminium I'm thinking of using for a tail boom, but I'm not sure if it'll slide into the contraption that's already there. So that's 52. The batteries run out. 52 by, looks like 25 and a bit. So 52 by 25 and a bit. I've cable tied these up a little better while the turbine was down, and these are used to accurately level the tower when it's up. So this is the width of the tail boom. It's on there in a minute. Well, it looks about identical. Right, this is slightly thicker, but that doesn't matter because the piece of aluminium should slide straight into there and can be bolted on. So I'm not going to do that now, but next time it comes down I'll do that, and I may have to buy a plywood tail which is a bit lighter than this because this is quite heavy. This tail is quite heavy, but I think the aluminium channel will be strong enough, and it will take a fair bit of weight off the whole device, because remember when we make the tower 6 foot taller, that's going to add a huge extra strain on everything. It's like a lever, it's like trying to hold a hammer outstretched. Right, okay, so yeah, that should be fine. So it's time to go back up, and we'll speed this bit up in real time. It'll take about 3 minutes. And that is that for now. If we get any wind later on, I shall keep you updated. Cheers. So it's Monday morning. Everything seems to be working okay, and haven't noticed any wobble at all yet, which is good. Right, the solar panel's making 15 watts and the wind's saying 4 miles an hour, which isn't right. It's probably right at the minute, but the gust would have been more than that, I think. We can cycle through. That's the average. That's the gust. So yeah, the solar panel's making 15 watts, and if anything else comes in over that, it's the turbine. I'm going to leave it recording for 20 minutes and then I'll fast forward it. Unfortunately, I've noticed the chains come off. So that's why it wasn't making any power, and now it's just spinning free. So alas, 2 steps forwards and 1 step backwards at the moment.